Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the Hibernate configuration file, hibernate.cfg file. What is the purpose of this file? Why do we need it in Hibernate environment? Look at this picture. There is a Java application which has entity classes and DAO layer, and with the help of Hibernate we are going to persist these entity objects in the database. Okay, now what is the role of this hibernate.cfg file? This hibernate.cfg file will contain the database details. I want to repeat, the hibernate.cfg file will contain the database details. It is a way where I inform this is my database that Hibernate has to connect. Okay, so using this CFG file configuration file, Hibernate will connect to the appropriate database. Okay, so again I'll repeat, hibernate.configuration file, the main purpose is it will contain the database details. I might use Oracle, you might use MySQL, but you have to give the entire details about the database that Hibernate has to use. So this is a way where we inform Hibernate about our database details. So this is a sample XML file. It contains the dialect. Dialect means, what is the purpose of dialect? It makes Hibernate to generate appropriate SQL for the chosen database. So you have to mention the dialect so that Hibernate knows which dialect to use to generate the appropriate SQL for your database. Then the driver to talk to the database. Then URL connection for your database. Then username, password. Then DDL automatic. So whether you have to create or update, there are different options available. Then show SQL. Whenever Hibernate execute the queries, okay, you want to show the SQL queries that is generated by the Hibernate in the console. If you mark it true, it will show, otherwise it will not. Mapping classes, mapping tag means the entity class details that is available in your application. So let's see one by one. What is the purpose of Hibernate dialect? It makes Hibernate generate the appropriate SQL for the chosen database. What is the purpose of driver class? It is used for the JDBC driver class. What is this property? Connection URL. JDBC URL to the database instance, username, password, and there is one more attribute called pool size. So limits the number of connections waiting in the Hibernate database connection pool. Then another property called auto commit allows auto commit mode to be used for the JDBC connection. So this is a configuration file where I can inform about my database details and other few details to Hibernate. This is like developer talking to the Hibernate. So this is the file just now I showed you. There are few other properties, but these are the main properties which are available in the Hibernate configuration tag. Okay, and this file is called as hibernate.cfg XML file. Hope this video is useful. Thank you.